Down 2-1, one test to go. Injuries mounting, pressure sky high, but India isn't backing down. The stage is set at the Oval, and it's more than just another day of Test cricket. It's India's final chance to salvage the series. With England leading 2-1, the fifth and final test has turned electric, thanks to breakout brilliance from Yashasvi Jaiswal and Akashdeep. Can India push it to 2-2 and leave England with only a moral victory? Day 3, a fight back worth remembering. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the rising star, dazzled once again with a stunning 118-run century, while Akashdeep, usually a tail-ender, smashed a fearless 66, flipping the script on what many expected to be a tame innings. At tea on day 3, India had a commanding 281-run lead. And just when England hoped to crawl into stumps, Mohammad Siraj shattered Zach Crawley's stumps in the final over, a psychological blow that could tilt day 4 before it even begins. Akashdeep, India's new X-Factor. Not many had Akashdeep on their radar as a batting threat, but after today, that's changed. Ravichandran Ashwin called him a raw gem, praising his aggression, clarity and smart shot selection. From someone primarily brought in for pace, his 66 off 97 balls shows a rare blend of control and daring. For a guy batting at number 9, he looked like he belonged at number 5, one commentator joked. Add to that his series tally of 100+ lower order runs and 6 wickets, and Deep is turning into a genuine all-format prospect. India's strategy, grit, guts and gill. India's resilience has been tested and still it stands. Without Jasprit Bumrah, rested, Rishabh Pant is still recovering, and battling fitness concerns across the lineup, India's young core is stepping up. Shubman Gill in particular has quietly crossed a major test milestone, 6,000 international runs. Meanwhile, England is feeling the heat. Dropped catches, Chris Wokes ruled out and Joe Root underperforming. Momentum has shifted, England looks shaken. India smells blood, said former cricketer Nasir Hussain on commentary. India's smart use of bowlers, field placements and mental pressure is writing a new playbook for comeback cricket. Can India actually level the series? With a lead of 373 runs and England already 1 wicket down, India is firmly in control. But this is England, and the Oval has seen miracles before. What stands in India's way? England still has Joe Root, Ben Stokes and Johnny Bairstow. The pitch is flattening, but day 4 may see variable bounce. India's bowlers will need to stay disciplined against aggressive counter-punching. Historically, targets over 350 in 4th innings in England are almost always lost or drawn. Only 3 successful chases ever above 350. So yes, India can do it, but England will fight tooth and nail. This match is no longer just about numbers. It's about national pride, redemption and belief in the bench. India's last stand is here, and every ball on day 4 could define the narrative. Do you think India will draw the series tomorrow? Who's your breakout star? Jaiswal, Deep, Gill or Siraj? Stay tuned for our next video, Asia Cup 2025 preview, India vs Pakistan, big comebacks and a potential Rohit Kohli final showdown.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.